This video will see optimal tree and Huffman algorithm to find out the optimal tree. Before going for the Huffman algorithm, let us understand first what is optimal tree. So consider two trees T1 and T2 which are drawn on same number of nodes, same number of edges, and the weights assigned to the leaf nodes are also same, that is 5, 4 and 3, 5, 4 and 3. So first of all, let us find out the weight of each tree T1 and T2. So to find out weight of a tree, formula is W of T is equal to summation of Wi into Li, where Wi is weight of a leaf node and Li is a path length of leaf node I. So what is path length? That is covered in the previous lecture. The link for the same is given in the description box. So path length is the number of edges between a root node and the leaf node I. So let us find out weight of tree T1, which is equal to first leaf node whose weight is 5. So Wi becomes 5 into Li, that is length of leaf node 5 whose weight is 5 from the root node I. So it is 1 as only one edge from the root node till the leaf node whose weight is 5, plus second leaf node whose weight is 4 that is Wi into Li, length of leaf node whose weight is 4. So how do we find the length or path length of leaf node whose weight is 4? Count the number of edges from the root node till the leaf node. So two edges are there, plus the third leaf node whose weight is 3 into its path length is 2. So final weight of tree T1 becomes 19. Similarly, weight of tree T2 is equal to the first leaf node whose weight is 5. So Wi becomes 5 into path length of the leaf node. So path length of a leaf node whose weight is 5 becomes 2 as two edges from the root node till the leaf node whose weight is 5. Hence path length becomes 2, plus the second weight 4 into its path length, that is 2, plus third weight 3 into its path length is 1. So weight of tree T2 becomes 21. So if you see, weight of tree T1 is less than weight of tree T2, and hence T1 becomes an optimal tree. T1 becomes an optimal tree. So we can define optimal tree as a full binary tree whose weight is minimum. You can call as an optimal tree. Now let us see, using Huffman algorithm, how we can get a tree which is an optimal one. Let us see the question. Construct optimal tree for the weights 8, 9, 10, 11, 13, 15 and 22. These are the weights of leaf nodes, and also we need to find the weight of this optimal tree. The very first step in the Huffman algorithm is we need to organize the given weights in increasing order. So given weights are already in increasing order 8, 9, 10, 11, 13, 15, and 22. That is the first step of Huffman algorithm. In the second step, we should select the first two minimum weights. In this case, they are 8 and 9, and we should add them. So 8 plus 9 gives you 17. So the new weights are 17, 10, 11, 13, 15, and 22. So again, we need to select the two minimum weights and we need to add them. So next two minimum weights are 10 and 11. So 10 plus 11, it's 21. So remaining weights are 13, 15, and 22. So again, we need to select the two minimum weights and we need to add them. So now new weights are 17, 21, 13, 15, and 22. So among these, again, the two minimum weights we need to select and we need to add them. 8, 9, 17, 10, 11, 21. These already we have added. So next two minimum are 13 and 15. So 13 plus 15 gives you 28, and the last weight left is 22. So the new weights are 17, 21, 28, and 22. So among these, again, we need to select the two minimum weights and we need to add them. So the two minimum weights become 17 and 21. We should add. So it becomes 17 and 21. We will add, which gives you 38. 17 has again two children's, 8 and 9. 21 has two children's, that is 10 and 11. And this remain as it is, 13, 15, 28, and 22. So now we have three weights left with us: 38, 28, 28, and 22. Now 38, 28, and 22. So among these, two minimums are 28 and 22. So we'll select and we'll add them. So usually lesser weights we should take on left side and greater weights on right side. So 22 plus 28 gives you a 50, and this 28 is already having two childs, that is 13 and 15, and your 38 is already having two childs, 17 and 21, which are further having the childs 10, 11, and 17 was having 8, 9. So now we have only two weights with us, 50 and 38. So finally we should add them. So 38 we should take on left side and 50 on right side, as lesser weight always on left side and higher greater weights on right side. So finally we should add them. So 38 plus 50 gives you 88, and 38's subtree will keep as it is. 9, 21 का 10, 11, 50 was having 22, 28, 13, and 15. So this is your tree, which is an optimal one. So to find out weight of this tree, we can write like 8, that is first leaf node, 8 into its path length, 8 into 3, plus second leaf node 9 into the path length, that is 3, plus next 10 into 3, plus 11 into 3, plus 13, or sorry, 22 into 2, plus 13 into 3, and last leaf node 15 into 3. So to find out the weight, we should use the given leaf node weights into the path length. And weight of this tree becomes 242. So this is how you can get optimal tree using an Huffman algorithm, and also you can find out the weight of a optimal tree.